Listen, I know laziness can be tempting. It feels good to lounge around, binge watch your favorite shows, and put off responsibilities. But let me tell you something, that temporary pleasure comes at a cost. When you're lazy, you're missing out on opportunities to grow and improve yourself. You're letting life pass you by. You're selling yourself short. The good news is that you have the power to change this. You can take control of your mind and your habits and push yourself to be more productive and successful. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Imagine how much you could accomplish if you were willing to put in the work. Imagine the sense of pride and fulfillment you would feel knowing that you gave it your all. So don't let laziness hold you back. Take action today. Start small, with simple tasks like making your bed in the morning or going for a walk. Build up momentum and challenge yourself to do more. Remember, every little step you take is a step closer to your goals. You got this.